welcome back to his channel, Barnsley's Retro Clan. First video for quite a while, due to being on holiday and everything else, work and everything. This time looking at a game that I never owned on Spectrum. I used to see it advertised quite a lot in me magazines that I used to buy. It's the Cascade Games Cassette 50, the infamous cassette that had, well, it claimed to have 50 excellent games on it, but everybody said that the games are rubbish, to be honest. And like I said, I never had one, so this is the first time ever I'll be playing these games. At the time, you used to send off for that game, and I believe you used to get a free watch, which probably is the main reason why people used to buy this. And I think it was around about a tenner. It came out in 1983, so it's quite an early game in the Spectrum's life. So what we'll do, we'll get on with it. We'll load the first game up, which I believe is a program called Muncher. I'm using an emulator at the moment, so you'll have to bear with me. Yeah, there we go, and that's how it loads. So as you can see, all games are written in BASIC, so no machine code, no fancy graphics. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, a really annoying sound, should I say. This game in a maze, two monsters. By eating the asterisks, we'll be able to eat the monster. Right, so the asterisks are like power pills. In the side of the maze there is an exit. If you go out of one, you come out of the opposite one. Right, so it keeps to the Pac-Man tradition of you can use those exits. But remember, when you eat an asterisk, you only have a limited amount of time in which the monsters can be eaten. Okay. Keys Q, Z, I, P. Right. Here we go. So typical basic game. Looks like they use UDG graphics. So like I said, not sparkling. Oh my god, not sparkling here. Let's just move my cursor out of the way. Oh my god. Yeah, I've got a blue Pac-Man. Must be cold or something. Well, I think a tenner. I mean, this is only the first game. I have seen other reviews on the Cassette 50, but I just want to try it myself. I just can't put it into words. It's terrible. It's like a typing game. Absolutely awful. Ghost gets me. I want to get a power pill, see what happens. That man didn't move at all, right? What? Yeah, Ghost just I think I want the spawning point at Ghost and no chance. Let's get a power pill. Right, so Ghost turned green. Eaten that one, and it goes back in corner. Oh my god. This is awful. This is just... In fact, I've seen better typing games. It would definitely thought watch. Game art. I mean, like I said, I never bought it. I don't know what type of watch it was, what quality it was, but oh my god, games, if this is all to go by, is shocking. I mean, Spectrum were more than capable of doing this. It's not Spectrum, it's programmers. You know, like I said, they're just basic. They're just basic games. It's absolutely shocking. happens when you clear all the dots. Why is Pac-Man blue? Oh, it is Pac-Man but it ain't. It's a rip-off one, but yeah, blue. It's, I mean, I'll score it like I do with all reviews. Graphics, well, you can break into basic and have a look how they've done graphics anyway. Like I said, it does look like UDG graphics for Pac-Man and also for Ghosts. Maze, I think they could have done a better colour scheme. Graphics, I'm going to give 2. It's horrible. Gameplay, no, I'll do sound first. Sound, just annoying, like click when you move. You get like a sound effect when you eat, like, you know, that power pill there, and also when you eat. Ghost, game stops when it plays a little effect. Gets quite annoying. Sound, I'm going to give a 1. It's poor. Overall gameplay, it's slow, monotonous, boring. Why would anybody load this back up once you've tried it for the first time? Gameplay, 1, and I think I'm being generous on that, to be honest. So yeah, that's been Muncher. Let me see if I can load next game up. See how you can do it now. We'll just set as machine. That is absolutely terrible though. Right, so I need to load. I think the next one is like a ski thing. Yeah, there we go, ski. Oh, just to prove that they are written in basic. That's the basic listing. So yeah, just words fail me. I would have turned sound down on this because I believe it's got an annoying sound up menu. I'll just turn sound down. I mean, what's all that about? So, now 6 skiers, you can bet on which will jump the furthest. You start. Oh, right, it's just a betting game, just a random game. Oh my good god. Right, so that thing what's on right, that's obviously the ski jump. Place your bet, 20 quid. Place your bet £20 colour. Red. Oh good god. What the hell? This is my guy. Go on, Eddie the Eagle. Yeah. Now I want him to break his leg now, not get in front of us. Well, Blue's just absolutely canned it. Well, this is crap in it. Oh good god, I'm not playing much more of this one. Nah, in fact, it's bet all his money. Not Blue. I mean, it's just a random game. You could quite easily program a guess the number game in basic. That's more or less what this is really. Good god. People pay money for this. Well, Graphics out of 10. 1. Sounds, I'm turning that off because